If you unlock your phone but your Wi-Fi not be connect automatically, this is very frustrating. But don't worry, you are in the right place. In this video, I am going to show you make Android phone automatically connect to Wi-Fi network. So let's begin. First of all, take your phone, swipe the top of the screen to open the notification panel, then swipe again to open quick panel page. Here, find the Wi-Fi name, simply tap on hold it. From the pop-up menu, tap on the details option. After that, find the exact Wi-Fi name if you want to save your phone. For example, I am saved this Wi-Fi name. Simply tap on it to connect it fast. After it connected, look at the right center. You can see the settings symbol. Simply tap on it to open it. Here, scroll down slowly. Look at the Auto Reconnect option. Right now, this option is turn off by default my phone. Simply turn it on fast. After it enable, to check if this process work or not, simply turn off the Wi-Fi, then turn back on again and wait. This time your phone automatically connect this Wi-Fi. That's it guys, you are done. If you found this guide will help you, consider to subscribe to my channel. Also like this video. Goodbye.